Hi, Sue Fisher. I'm going to talk you through safety and maintenance of tools. I'm going to talk about Billhook this time. Sorry for the noise, there's some sawing going on next to me. This is my Billhook. I don't have like a leather sheath for it, but I've improvised something with the end of a waterproof trouser leg, which I've stitched up into a waterproof cover. So this is my waterproof cover. I've also got it in a old flannel and a piece of towel. So with my Billhook, it's obviously got the cutting blade there, which is curved, which is where this comes in useful. So first of all, I'm going to sharpen the straight edge. So to do that, I'm just going to sharpen each part of it. I'm going to go down, pushing it away. It's tapered on both sides, so I'm going to do this on both sides. I'm going to go all the way down to the corner. This stone's got a real dip in it. Okay, I'm going to turn it over, do the other flat side. Because this stone's got a real dip, what I might do is I might just take the burrs off with the smaller one and turn it over. Like that. And then for the curved part, I'm going to use this really useful canoe stone. So I'm going to put my tool, turn it around like that, I think, and then I might use that to go around the corner. And then I'll turn it over. Small child in the background.
I just got her toes.
Okay, give that a wipe. Just check the burrs. Yeah, that's all good. And then I would put it back in my bag.
That's mine. That
Have I stolen that from you, Arthur?
Yeah.
Is it from the bathroom?
No, Santa Claus put chocolate in it.
And then I would tie it up again, and obviously that would then go in the toolbox as well.